Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we're going to dive into a completely free, absolutely zero tech skills required trick to drastically speed up your internet, and we're going to do it in under 2 minutes. If you've ever felt like your internet is just, dragging its feet, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through a really simple networking trick that most people completely ignore, but one that can seriously boost your performance instantly. And don't worry, you don't need any special IT background to follow along with this. We'll go through it step by step. So let's get right into it. We all know the absolute frustration of a terrible internet connection. You sit down, you're trying to watch a video, and boom, the dreaded buffering circle appears. Or maybe you're working from home and you just get these random, completely unexplained disconnections. And oh man, if you're a gamer, there is truly nothing worse than terrible lag making you walk right into a wall at a critical moment in a match. We all experience this slow Wi-Fi pain, and it is incredibly frustrating. Does that sound a little too familiar to you?
Now, most people think they need to spend serious money to fix this issue. The immediate reaction is usually, well, I need to go buy a brand new, super expensive router, or I gotta call my internet provider and upgrade to a pricier plan. But here is the actual truth. Your internet connection might already be fast. You're just kind of using it wrong. You really don't need expensive hardware upgrades to get the speed that you are already paying for.
So what's actually going on here? The crucial piece of the puzzle is understanding something called DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. I want you to think of DNS exactly like the internet's phone book. See, when you type a website name, like Google, into your browser, computers don't actually know what Google is. They only read numbers. So the DNS acts as a translator. It takes that name and converts it into an IP address, basically a string of numbers, so your device can actually connect to the website. And this whole translation process happens entirely behind the scenes in mere milliseconds. But here is where the bottleneck happens. By default, your internet service provider sets you up on their own DNS. And honestly, your ISP's default DNS is often a really crowded, slow road. It might even be less secure. Because so many people are forced onto it automatically, it gets totally jammed up, and that creates high latency. But by simply switching to a custom DNS, you are bypassing that traffic jam entirely. It is literally like switching from a bumper-to-bumper local road right onto a lightning-fast highway. You get quicker loads and significantly better ping for your gaming.
All right, so before we actually change anything on your devices, let's look at the top 3 service choices you can pick from. There are a few different highways you can choose to take, depending on what you care about most. First up, we have Google DNS, which is known for being incredibly fast and super reliable. Next is Cloudflare, using the address 1.1.1.1, which is heavily privacy-focused. And finally, OpenDNS, which is a fantastic option if you're looking for an extra layer of security. You can totally test these out and see which one gives you the absolute best performance for your own daily routine.
Let's move right into the setup guide for mobile. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, getting off that crowded ISP road is incredibly simple and takes less than 2 minutes. Just follow these 3 easy steps. First, open up your phone's Settings app. Second, use the search bar right at the top and type in DNS, or private DNS. Third, once you're in that menu, you just enter your custom IP address. So for example, if you wanted to use that fast and reliable Google DNS we just talked about, you would type in 8.8.8.8. and 8.8.4.4. Hit save, and within seconds, you'll be completely bypassing your internet provider's sluggish phone book. That is literally all it takes for your phone.
And now, here is the setup guide for computers. Now, if you are someone working from home, dealing with heavy file downloads, or maybe a gamer looking to reduce that online lag, just a few clicks inside your network adapter will completely reroute your connection for maximum stability. First, open your network settings and click Change Adapter Options. Second, find your current network connection, right-click it, and choose Properties. Third, look down that list and select Internet Protocol version 4. You might see it called IPv4. Finally, just like on mobile, enter your preferred DNS, like 8.8.8.8 and the alternate 8.8.4.4. Click Save, and you are entirely done. You are officially cruising on the DNS highway.
Of course, we want to make sure this actually worked. To verify your new settings are functioning properly, keep an eye out for these immediate improvements. As you browse the web, pages should pop up noticeably quicker. When you pull up a video, that annoying buffering circle, it should be a thing of the past. And when you load into an online multiplayer game, take a look at your ping. It should be lower and far more stable than it ever was on your provider's default connection.
And you know the absolute best part of this entire networking trick is the cost. You just optimized your internet speed, you increased your privacy, and you stabilized your connection, and it cost you absolutely nothing to execute. Zero. Not a single dollar, rupee, or euro. You just maximize the tech you already own.
So here is my question to you to wrap things up. How much faster does your connection feel right now? I highly encourage you to pause, test this trick out on your phone or your PC today, verify your speeds, and just see the instant transformation for yourself. Networking really doesn't have to be intimidating, and you definitely don't always need to open your wallet to get a premium experience. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and hey, enjoy your new, blazing fast internet.